Let's look at the web browser. The web browser. So the web browser, what does it do? Simply, the web browser is a software. It is the software that we use to view websites on the internet. So the web browser is what we normally use whenever we are about to open a website. The web browser, its job is that it views websites. There is nothing that you can use to open a website. There is no application you can use to open a website. The only way by which you can access a website or view the web pages on the internet is by using a web browser. And so you have seen most of the web browsers, the common ones that we all use whenever we are browsing the internet. We all know of it. The common browsers available. We have Google Chrome, we have Microsoft Internet Explorer, we have the Mozilla Firefox, we have Apple Safari, we have Opera, and there are other ones in existence that we use. But basically, these are the common ones that we normally use in our daily browsing. So let's look at what a browser does. Whenever you open a browser to browse the internet, let's look at the function, what it does. Now, every web page, we've already learned it. The web page on the internet, which contains the information on the internet, every web page is written or coded with text, images, links, videos, and so on, in a language that we call HTML. And so what a browser does is that whenever you open Google Chrome, you open Mozilla, you open Opera, or any of the browsers, what it does is that it will process the coded information on a web page, and then it will display it on the website, and you see it as a window that has opened. The website that shows up on the screen is as a result of the processing done by the browser. So now let's go to the internet and see what we are talking about. Assuming we open a browser, this is Firefox browser. Let's open the Firefox browser. So this is the Firefox browser. Now, assuming I open a website, let's use jumia.com.gh. Now this is the website that shows up as Jumia website. Now the function of this browser has opened all the coded information on the web pages in this website, and has displayed it as the first thing that you see on the website window. Now, if we want to see the coded information in this website, let me highlight any of the information here. Assuming I want to see where this information is coming from, how this information was written, I highlight, right click, and then I look at inspect. Now you can see the writings here. The writings here are coded information. They are coded information. So it means the writings, the text that which are highlighted, they are coded information that was processed by the browser, and it was displayed. It was displayed as text. It was displayed as text. It was displayed as text on the website. So that is the function of a browser.